One project needs one Flutter version, another project needs a different Flutter version, your computer can only use one global Flutter version at a time. Sounds like a nightmare. Not with Flutter Version Manager. It allows you to install and switch between different Flutter versions very easily. This is extremely useful in real development. Different projects can use different Flutter versions. I will be using Windows, but Flutter Version Manager works almost the same on Windows and macOS. The only real difference is how Flutter Version Manager is installed. So first, I'll quickly show how to install FVM on macOS and Windows. First, we need to install Homebrew. Homebrew is a package manager for macOS. It helps install developer tools directly from the terminal. Open the official Homebrew website, copy the installation command, paste it into the terminal, enter your password, and wait for the installation to finish. Homebrew is installed. Now open the official Flutter Version Manager website and follow the installation steps. First, run this command, brewtap leoafarias/fvm. This command adds the Flutter Version Manager repository to Homebrew. Next, run this command, brew install FVM. Now Flutter Version Manager is installed. Open the official Flutter Version Manager website and follow the installation steps. First, run this command, choco install FVM. As you can see, we get an error because Chocolatey is not installed. Go to the official Chocolatey website. As a reminder, all links mentioned in this video are available in the description below. Copy the installation command and paste it into the terminal. After the installation is complete, run the command again, choco install FVM. Then finish the installation exactly as shown on the screen. Now Flutter Version Manager is installed. Now you can clear the terminal by running clear. Now run FVM list. This command shows all Flutter versions installed through FVM and available for switching. As you can see, no SDKs have been installed yet. Let's check all available Flutter versions. Run FVM releases. Now I will install a few versions so you can see how everything works. Let's wait for the downloads to finish. Now let's open Android Studio and run FVM list. As you can see, all three versions are available. Now let's simulate a real-world situation. Imagine that this project uses Flutter 3.44.0, but our global Flutter version is different. This is exactly where Flutter Version Manager becomes useful. We simply run FVM use 3.44.0, and that's it. Now we can run the project using the correct Flutter version. Let's enter FVM Flutter devices. This command shows the list of available devices. Copy the device name from the second column. Next, run this command. As you can see, the application starts successfully using FVM. Now you can stop the process. Click inside the terminal window and press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. Now I will switch the project to another Flutter version so you can understand the complete workflow. The real workflow is very simple. First, check which Flutter version the project uses. In our case, it is Flutter 3.44.1. Next, run FVM use 3.44.1. This allows us to use the correct Flutter version from the terminal, just like I showed earlier. But we also need Android Studio to know which Flutter version it should use. This allows Android Studio to analyze files correctly and launch applications using the proper SDK. To do that, open Android Studio settings. Go to Languages and Frameworks, Flutter. In the Flutter SDK field, select the Flutter version installed through FVM. Just follow the steps shown on the screen. If you're using macOS, follow the next steps. I also recommend enabling these checkboxes. They will make development more convenient. Now let's launch the project again. And as you can see, everything works perfectly. Congratulations! You completed the full setup process from start to finish. And now you can run your applications using any Flutter version you need.